Hi everyone, good afternoon. My name is Jane. My topic for today is multiplication of two-digit numbers by 11. It can be any two-digit number. It's a math trick that will help you multiply any two-digit number by 11 without a calculator. If you have a number like 51 multiplied by 11, you add the two numbers, which is 5 plus 1 gives you 6. So you write your 5, put the value you got in the middle, and write the last number. So the answer is 561. 51 multiplied by 11 is 561. If you have 52 multiplied by 11, it's just 5 plus 2, which 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And you write your answer 5. Write the 7 at the middle and then the last digit, which is 2. The answer is 572. If you have 53 multiplied by 11, for 53 multiplied by 11 is just 5 plus 3, which is 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. You write your 5, put the 8 at the middle and your number 3. That is 583. If you have 54 multiplied by 11, it's just 5 plus 4, 9. You write your 5, put the 9 at the middle and your 4. If you have 55 multiplied by 11, it's just 5 plus 5, 10. Instead of writing 5 and putting 10 at the middle and writing another 5, what you do is you write the last digit number, which is 5. Write this your 0 for 10. You know 10 is this way. You write the 0. Then the 1, you take it up. Add it with the 5, which is 5 plus 1, 6. So this is the answer. This one is wrong. This is the answer. If you have 56 multiplied by 11, 5 plus 6 is 11. So we'll write our 5, we'll write our 6 first, write the last digit number, which is 1, then you add this 1 to the 5, which is 1 plus 5, 6. This is the answer. If you have 57 multiplied by 11, 5 plus 7 is 12. You know it's going to be this way. You write the last digit, which is 7. Your 2 comes next. Then this 1, you add it to the 5, which is 1 plus 5, 6. This is the answer. That is how you multiply any two-digit number by 11. Okay, if we have 42 multiplied by 11, it's just 4 plus 2, which is 4 plus 2 is 6. You write your 4, the 6 at the middle, and your 2, which is 462. If we have 22 multiplied by 11, it's just your 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then you write your 2, add your 4 in the middle, and your 2. This is the answer, 242. If you have 59 multiplied by 11, 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. Is 14, so you write your 9 first, which is the last one. Then you write your 4. You add this one to the 5, which is 5 plus 1, 6. 649. That is the answer. That is how to multiply any two-digit numbers by 11 without a calculator. So first, okay, let's use 60 now. You know 60 has 0 at the end. 6 and 0, 60 multiplied by 11. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. So you write your 0 first, Put the 6, this is my 0. You write your 0 first. Put the 6 at the middle. Then you write your 6. The answer is 616. If you have 70 multiplied by 11, 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. You write your 0 first, starting from your right hand side. Then the 7 will be at the middle. Then you have your 7, 770, so on and so forth.